Hi, I'm Lillian with Visit Tri-Cities, and your weekend starts here. Summer fun reaches its peak in August in the Tri-Cities, whether you're visiting or a local. From world-class wineries to electrifying concerts in the iconic Benton-Franklin County Fair and Rodeo, this sun-soaked region offers an unforgettable array of activities to make the most of your summer days. On August 17th, join the Manhattan Project National Historical Park Rangers and Reach Museum educators for a thrilling, free, Junior Ranger Park Explorer program. Kids, it's your chance to become part explorers and learn about the fascinating history and beauty surrounding us. Calling all health enthusiasts, on August 18th, join the Give Your Mood a Boost Pilates for Mental Health workshop. Discover how Pilates, focused breathing, and mindful movement can positively impact your daily life, improve your mood, and reduce your stress. On August 19th, gear up for the Grande Parade. Kicking off the Benton-Franklin Fair and Rodeo, join the wonderful community in downtown Kennewick, either as a participant or spectator with your lawn chair. Hold on to your seat on August 19th for the epic Demolition Derby at the fairgrounds. Brace yourself for heart-pounding action as crazy racers compete for speed and smash up each other's cars for the grand finale. It's bound to be the most thrilling event of the week. Whether you're seeking relaxation or to ride the fireball 100 times, this month we have you covered. So pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and get ready for an unforgettable August in the magnificent Tri-Cities. Oh, and don't forget to nominate your favorite local Tri-Cities business for this year's Excellence in Service Award. Last day to get your nominees in is September 1st. To learn more about these events and everything else happening in the Tri-Cities, head over to visittricities.com/events.